So here I'm making a special dish based on some of the ingredients I had in the house. So I have a ginger, garlic paste over here. I have onions, green peppers, three tomatoes, and some coleslaw. So what we're gonna do is start cooking this, and I'll show you step by step. Just make a curry that be a little saucy and a little bit of spicy, and that will go really well with the rice. So let's start. Over here we have the oil heating on a medium heat. As you can see, it's flowing nicely. So we're gonna put our ginger and garlic. Get the aroma out. So this has been cooking for a while. What I'm going to do is remove the lid and just crush this. And instead of ginger and garlic in thick chunks like I have, you can also use the paste version of it. I like to have the flavor when I chew in my bites, then I can feel the flavor. So that's basically what I like. So it's up to you whether you like to go that route or not. So once I'm done, I'm just going to add onions. Make sure they're there. We'll let that cook for a little bit, soften it up in the juices here. We've not put any spices as yet. We will be putting in eventually. So we'll let the onions cook for a bit to soften it up. Once they're softened, we're going to add the green peppers and the bell peppers as well, and then let that cook, and then add the coleslaw. As you can see, the onions have basically become soft. A nice thick texture to it. We're going to add the other ingredients in there. These ingredients basically in the same order that you want them to be cooked. Some vegetables cook faster, some vegetables cook slower. Then there is also an element you want to keep a certain color in there, so you don't want to ruin the color too much. So put them in order that works best for that part. If I add a little bit of water, it might help, but I just fear that it might just become too soggy. I like this texture, so I'm going to keep it in this situation. So the last ingredient, coleslaw. And that's pretty much it for all the ingredients. The measurement came out almost perfect because this is the exact texture I wanted. Slightly dry though, maybe one more tomato if I were to do it again, the same ratio, maybe one more tomato. But overall, I like this. What I am going to do is add a little bit of spices now. I basically approximate spices. I really don't measure spoons or that kind of thing, so I approximate what it come to. So usually my measurements are okay. It's not usually a problem on that part. some salt, some black pepper. A pinch of turmeric. A pinch of garam masala. So that really brings out the aroma again. And of course my favorite always is red peppers. So a little bit more than a pinch. So maybe I would say about 2 pinches if there is such a measurement. And I'll just see a lot of comments later. No, 2 pinches. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just gonna stir this. Oh, it's amazing aroma coming out of it right now. Very hungry. I think this so far has been my most successful experiments. I really like this. I made this several times, so I guess I'm very comfortable making this. I'm gonna just cover it up, turn the heat down a little bit, let it cook for a little bit, and we would be good to go. So the food is ready, and as you can see, the colors came out really vibrant. Served on rice, looks absolutely stunning. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if there's anything else you think might be a good option to add in there. I'll definitely try it, and you guys have a nice one.